YouTube? It's your boy KoolieBKoolin in the building. Y'all already know, man, bringing y'all another epic video, man. I thought about doing this video because I was reading the comment sections and stuff like that, and I've seen a couple people been asking, you know, what all I use and stuff like that. So, you know, that's why this one came about, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to that in a second, man. But man, how y'all like the footage from yesterday, man? It definitely was epic. It was lit, and man, that racing is definitely on and popping, man. I'm looking forward to plenty more racing that we got coming this year, and it should be super lit, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. They got me thirsty. I ain't gonna lie. That's just a preview of what's to come this summer, man. The weather still ain't came yet. We still can't even really move around or do what we want to do or nothing like that, man. So hopefully once all this is all done, man, everything will be back super lit. You know what I'm saying? Because all type of places be back open. Racetrack will be open. Yes, sir. Racetrack will be open, so y'all know we gonna get all type of footage on stuff like that, man. You know what time it is. Big garage racing, all events and everything like that that I can get to. That's what it's gonna be, man. But man, I'm gonna get dead to this one on this one, y'all, and let y'all know what I use and everything like that. So to show y'all what I'm using right now to record, I'm gonna have to switch on over to the phone so I can get to showing y'all the actual camera and holder and everything like that. So let me go ahead and switch over to, matter of fact, yeah, let's go ahead and switch to the phone now. All right, y'all, we on the phone now. So this how it look and everything like this. So let's get dead to it real quick because I don't even got my holder for this, so I don't even know how this is looking right now. But I'm gonna show y'all this demonstration right now, man. Boom, don't mind the iPad, that demonstration on charge, but this the camera that I use right here, y'all. This the camera that I use right here. G7X, you know what I'm saying? It's all the way suited in, but I'm trying to get y'all a good angle, man. I'm tripping. Let me move the iPad out the way so y'all can see it. All right, now we ain't got nothing in the way like that. But this the camera I use right here, man. This is it, the G7X. Man, I love this demonstration, man. I ain't gonna lie. Before I got this, I was using just my phone, and it was cool and everything, but this right here is on another level. Like this, man, I ain't gonna lie, this make you want to vlog all that. I mean, just your quality, everything is way more clear. But like they say, I mean, it's not really needed to do what you got to do, but this the camera that I use. I know they got other ones that's a lot more expensive and everything like that. I'm not exactly sure the price point on this. I didn't buy it. I had got it for a Christmas gift from my girl. She had got it for Christmas, so shout out her, you know what I'm saying? Invested in your boy. Yes, sir. But let me cut this on just so y'all can see how this demonstration is, though. But you know, it give you the you know, you can see what you're looking at and everything like that. Pretty basic functions and stuff like that on the camera. But what I do like about it, hold on, let me put this down. 1 second, y'all. I only got one hand. But what I do like about it is that, you know, you see how you can flip that up, and then like when you're looking at yourself, you'll be able to see like what you're looking at and how to adjust it down and move it up, or how, you know what I'm saying? You'll be able to see the whole shebang. So that's what I do like about it. And then when you're ready to flip it back around, you know, you do one of them, or however your angles is, or however you want to do. Man, look, it's this is it, man. I ain't gonna lie. I love this camera. I get this camera if I had to rate it out of 10 being the best and 1 being the lowest, this thing is a 10. I ain't gonna cap it. Then this was a must too right here. This was a must too right here. This right here was a must that I had to add on, because I don't know if y'all seen a lot of videos had a lot of wind noise. So if you do want to get one of these and you planning on being like vlogging or doing anything that you feel like it's gonna be windy, anything like that, go ahead and make sure you get one of them on top of your, or figure out a way to do it. There's some people that make it, but they got I got that off of Amazon. I forgot exactly I don't even got the exact link or nothing, man. My bad, y'all. But I'm gonna figure out the link and everything, and if I get the link, I'll put it in. But them the wind protectors right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and switch back on over to my camera now, just because I like to use my camera better, and I get back to explaining everything else. But before we switch over, I'm gonna go ahead and keep talking about this real quick, because this is not an essential. You know what I'm saying? I started out my channel with just my cell phone, and the videos were looking clear, quality was good. I mean, if you got a new iPhone or even Android, anything like that, I'm pretty sure your video quality will come out super clear and everything like that. This just take it to another level. Like this just, once you get this and you see how the difference is from your phone to that, is you gonna enjoy it, man. But what I was talking about, the reason I'm still using the phone right now, these is what I got on the top of here. It's like a wind, it stopped the wind. I don't know what they call wind protector, wind resistor. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but it's made specifically for this camera, and it comes for a lot of cameras, so it cover the mic up and everything like that, so you can stop the wind. And it's an easy install too. I mean, you stick this on that demonstration first, then stick one of these on top of that demonstration, and let's see, open this up real quick. But this how they look. You know, nice little fluffy. Y'all can see that that's the outline for that too. That's the outline for that. So just something I figure I'd go ahead and tell y'all about right there, because if you get the camera and you don't got this and you're around a lot of wind, your whole video gonna be jagged. So to prevent y'all from doing that right now, if you want to start, go ahead, get that, and just go ahead and slap that on. This was cheap as hell, a couple dollars, like $10, $20 or something like that from Amazon. Also, damn, all right, now I'm gonna go ahead and switch on over, back on over to the camera now. Also, y'all, I got this for the camera too. This is just some essentials that I want y'all to get if y'all do get the camera, just because it helps also too. It's a screen protector, and the screen protector is for the back lens part that I had showed y'all that flipped up. You know, it came with a couple of them. I had a couple of them just if I had jacked putting it on and stuff like that. But I also got that off Amazon. It come with the wipes. What's that? This demonstration don't want to focus now. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Okay, you don't want to focus. It is what it is. I don't know what it's doing, but it come with, okay, y'all see it, the wipes, 2 wipes, the wet one, the dry one. You know what I'm saying? And wipe your screen off with that. Wipe it off with that. Put the screen protector clean on there. You good to go. Ain't nothing to it. So that's what I use as far as my cameras and stuff like that. Stick wise, this is what I use for the stick for my holder for the camera. I got this off of Amazon also. It's just a cheap stick. It ain't nothing expensive. I mean, if you want to go crazier, you could go crazier. They got the gibbles and all that type of stuff like that. So if that's what you want to do, go ahead and rock out with that. It's screw dead at the bottom. This will work for any camera. It's universal. So if y'all just want to go ahead and get this wasn't too much or nothing like that too, to go ahead and add on to whatever you try to do. I mean, they got the gibbles and all that for more stability and everything like that. But I mean, if you got a stable hand, you go ahead and rock out with this. So I see some people don't even use sticks at all. They just hold the camera like how I'm holding it right now, which, I mean, you could do it because I'm doing it right now. Just hold it wide and do what you got to do. It just feel a little funny when I do it like that. I don't know. I feel like I'm end up pushing the wrong button or something else or whatever. But that's the other camera that I got. Y'all already know about these cameras right here. Well, they the same one, so it's another one in there. But y'all already know I had went and got these demonstrations right before I had went to Texas. The Gap Cam and the Fully Cam, that's what we call these joints. But I ended up going with like a GoPro 7. I mean, it's been through some stuff already. I don't know if y'all can see the couple of, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it is what it is. One thing I can say is they stable. The quality clear as far as for action films and stuff like that. I mean, if you're doing anything motion and action, you're gonna be jumping, anything that you're gonna shake or anything like that, I feel like this is good. And also, this might help you out also. This might be a better alternative, because I know people like Street Speed. I see Lucky, Reese, they use this for just their actual vlog camera too. So this is another way that you can get like a 2-for-1 type demonstration by using this as your vlog camera, because it show the screen and everything too. You'll be able to view the screen and everything like that on the back to see actually what's going on. And they got a way that it connects to your phone, which I did that too, because I like to cut mine on and off from there just to see the view and everything like that. So I mean, they got the newer one, which I heard is way better than this one. I think this one is just a 7 Hero or something like that. I think that's what I got. but they got the newer one, the 8 Hero, and I heard the quality is a lot better. Like anybody that had a 7 and switched over to the 8, they said that it was worth all the money to go ahead and do that. But I mean, this, like I said, these just options for y'all for camera uses as far as on if you're trying to start a channel or anything like that, what you need or how you can go about doing it. You know, everybody for the most part got a phone right now, so you'll be able to rock out with a phone and do what you got to do with that. I mean, I've seen a lot of y'all asking me what is the exact camera that I use, and that's the Canon, the G7X. I love it. That's the best camera. I mean, I ain't seen nothing. I mean, I know they got stuff out there better, but price for buck, I mean, you can't complain over this. And I love the quality. Like I said, I love my camera. Like, this was one of the best gifts I had ever got for Christmas. You know what I'm saying? It was the best gift I got for last Christmas. You know what I'm saying? Was this. Like, this camera is lit. I mean, you see what I'm doing with it. I'm putting it to use too, y'all, for a fact. But I mean, one thing I gotta tell y'all, if y'all do decide on getting a GoPro, you know what I'm saying, for a fact, y'all need, where them joints at? Let me show y'all how many I got. Man, I don't know how y'all do this with the one can. Let me put my joint back on the stick probably or something like that. But y'all see how many GoPro batteries I have? I mean, I'm loaded over here with the GoPro batteries, man. If anybody got a GoPro and y'all know, these GoPro batteries do not last long. I don't know why my camera don't want to focus in on the day that I'm talking about the camera y'all need to use, man. That's crazy. Let me put my stick back on here. All right, y'all, here we go now. Let's go ahead and get this thing back focusing. This is why I like my stick, because I feel like the stability and everything for me is better. But y'all see right here, man, all these GoPro batteries, the GoPros do not last long at all for like filming. I don't know if it's the settings that I'm using, but it don't last long at all when I'm filming. Like after I get a couple, I mean, depending on how many videos I do off of this, that battery be red. And then the GoPro, like I say, when I kind of have it on, it's more like if I'm putting it on for like a race, I gotta just cut it on and hopefully it go ahead and do what it gotta do. But this ain't a bad option for a vlog camera also, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with that. But y'all see, man, I got plenty chargers over here because batteries die and everything like that. Extra double charge on that. I think these for the GoPros, that's for the Canon, this for the Canon too. Man, I can't even really think too much more, really. Can't really think of too much more of what's really to it, but man, I mean, this the camera. This just a video for y'all too, because I know just trying to answer questions and knock stuff out. Oh yeah, just to let y'all know also too, I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna get the 4s. I'll probably get the 4s of the day. I'll probably go ahead and just go ahead and buy that on there and set up my gamer tag and all that stuff today, because the weekend coming up, and depending on what's going on, if ain't nobody racing or nothing like that, man, I'll probably jump on there early morning or something like that and trying to, like, I don't know exactly how to figure out, y'all know I got my drink. Woo! But I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it as far as on if I'll be able to like record me actually playing it with y'all and stuff like that. But I'm gonna figure all that out too, man, because we gonna get it in, man. We gonna see who gonna be on the gap cam on the game. You feel me? Because man, that game fun. I ain't gonna lie. I used to play that game. That game was definitely fun. But man, we out with another one, man. This is another video for y'all, man. Y'all already know, trying to bring it to y'all as much as I can and stuff like that. If y'all like these type of videos and y'all like this video and y'all want to know more about YouTube and stuff like that and what I use to edit and everything like that, let me know. If this video go ahead and do some decent numbers, I'll go ahead and let y'all know what all I use for editing process and stuff like that, and just try and get y'all a little bit more game on the YouTube game. For anybody that's even thinking about starting or doing it, you know what I'm saying? If y'all like these videos, I'll try and keep these going, man. But y'all already know, man, we out with another video, man. Koolie gang. Let's get it.